All right, the high today, 68 degrees. Didn't even make it to 70 this afternoon. You know, I was also thinking back, it was only like a month ago, it was really like a month and a week ago that we had that high of 110 degrees back in September. So how things have changed, and no complaints here in that regard. Normal high is 79, so we were 11 degrees below normal. And the last time it was cooler than today, at least during the afternoon, was when the high was 64 degrees back on April 26th. So the coolest day in months here in North Texas, not only during the afternoon, but during the morning as well. A low of 51 this morning. So DFW officially has yet to make it down into the 40s for lows. I think that'll likely change tonight and especially on Tuesday. But I know quite a bit of you outside of DFW have seen the 40s the last couple mornings, especially this morning, and we also had that happen last weekend as well. But I think DFW makes it into the 40s, but not record cold. The record 41 degrees set back in 2018. Right now outside, it is 64. Winds are out of the north. That's a kind of that reinforcing shot of cool air that arrived today. One of the reasons why tomorrow is going to be even cooler than what we were this weekend. Of course, with the breeze blowing around, it doesn't help out with the pollen situation. Ragweed will continue to stay high until we have a decent freeze, which doesn't happen for us until late November normally. Mountain cedar and elm are both moderate, and fungus is low. Here are my lows tonight. Everybody down in the 40s, a range of 40s, low to mid upper 40s depending on where you are. I know the winds have been rather breezy today, but they will calm down as we head into the overnight hours, and by tomorrow morning much less breezy than what we're dealing with outside right now. But there may still be a little bit of a breeze, and because temps are in the 40s, that could give us a wind chill. Some places maybe even feeling like the upper 30s first thing tomorrow morning, low 40s elsewhere with a little bit of a light breeze, but by tomorrow afternoon we won't have to be dealing with it. Temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 60s, but probably a degree or two cooler than what we're dealing with this afternoon. DFW, or maybe about the same, 67, 68 or so for Dallas to Fort Worth. Upper 60s, another day where we'll see those below normal temperatures tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, once again, lighter winds. Those winds will calm down after sunset and stay on the lighter side overnight tonight. 49 my official low, but some places will definitely be cooler than that. Dry, breezy, and cool tomorrow, 67 for the high, and that'll be the coolest day of the week. Now, Tuesday morning, the morning I think will actually be even a little cooler than what we're dealing with tomorrow morning. Another one of those chilly days, but then you can see we warm up more Tuesday afternoon, high of 75, and then 80s return. Maybe even upper 80s by this upcoming weekend. I do not have any rain this week and into next weekend, but I do hopefully have some rain chances returning next week, the following week, and also those temperatures stay in the 80s as well. But I'll take 80s if we're going to get some rain because we desperately need it.